looks like we have another Cybertruck update coming, 2024.39.5. So we'll run it soon and we'll see how it goes. Alright, looks like we got an update. Let's go ahead and install it. It says 2024.39.5, approximately 55 minutes to install. It's 10:49 a.m. right now. Let's see how long it actually takes. Let's go. Alright, update is starting. Okay, the air started blowing harder, but we're still not very far. You can see 2024.39.5 update starting. Do not drive until complete. Alright, now it shows software updating to that, updating autopilot, driver assistance, and dash cam disabled. The screen's all dim now, and it says updating electronics control units, driving and charging disabled. I just heard the car close some, I don't know, vents or something. I heard a sound. But yeah, we'll continue. You can see it stays dim like that, so we just gotta keep waiting. Alright, I just heard some clicking sounds. It basically makes the sound like when you plug in the car and then it starts flashing green, and then once it initially connects the charger, it makes that sound like a double click. Anyways, it's still updating electronic control units. Alright, so we'll just continue waiting. Alright, the fans sped up some more, and it's still updating the electronic control units. Alright, the screen turned off for a second, turned back on, it's brighter again, but it's still saying the same stuff, so we're going to continue waiting. It is now 11:26 a.m. Alright, it now says software updating. Okay, finishing update, driving disabled. Alright, the screen went black again. It's been that way for a few seconds. Let's see how long it stays that way. Okay, it's turning on. I don't think the update's done yet, but we'll see. Still, it's just sitting there. Long process. Come on, hurry up. Oh, screen's off again. Come on. Screen is on again. It's off again. At least it's not doing that thing that it did when I was traveling around the US, where it was just like beep, 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 or whatever. I don't remember the sound, but it just kept beeping. Here you go. Rebooting, driving disabled. Alright, we'll let it go and I'll be back. It's 11:33 now, and you can see it's still finishing update. Driving still disabled, so we'll gotta keep waiting till it finishes. Alright, it finally finished. You can see it is now 11:36 a.m. and it's not showing the release notes yet. It's probably going to take some time. It'll pop up on its own usually. So let's just sit here and wait and see what happens. Is it going to pop up, or do I need to manually open it? There you go. There's the release notes, 12.5.5.3. So update is completed. Okay. So full self-driving stuff has been updated. If you want, you can read it. Includes vision-based attention monitoring. Okay, that's the same. It's been there. So I'm assuming they just improved the FSD. Okay. And eventually they're going to add earlier, more natural lane change decisions, improve performance in parking lots, improve performance at intersections and stops, and introduction of the speed profile. So we don't have that yet. Alright. Then full self-driving supervised here. Alright, I don't think any of this is different. And then the vision-based monitoring. All of this is like the same as the previous update. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm going to plug in and charge a bit. I didn't want to plug it in while I was waiting because I'm not sure what would I wasn't sure what would happen. So, yeah. Alright, that's it. See you guys later. I'll probably do some self-driving tests later.